I have the Lurching zombie taken apart because obviously the gear was split, like I said. It's the same damn gear as the Jimmy item, but it's harder because the shaft is longer, so it's harder to get the shaft all the way down. But, yep, same gear. That's what the mechanism looks like.
Jaden's new account, so 9.
Where did his old gear go? It was split. It was that 9-tooth gear. Wherever the hell it went. That was it. Yeah, I'm just showing the mechanism of the Lurching zombie.
Are you gonna hear us?
Yeah.
Hello!
Yeah, I'm on the call with weird people. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey guys!
Hello.
Hi! Hi!
Apparently there's 2 gods.
I hate cheese.
Shut the fuck up, Alexia.
Oh no.
Let's try this.
Joey, you're mine.
No, I'm just kidding.
He's fixing Lurching zombie.
No?
I'm gonna commit suicide. Whoa! I'm going to commit suicide.
Hey, Seth went through a bunch of her boxes,
Yeah.
and she kept these out for you because they're Wowee,
Yeah.
and they're, do you want them?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's like, I kept these for Jordan, and she kept this too, but I don't know,
Yeah, I know that those were from the zoo a long time ago.
that or if you don't want it, I know Sage loves owls.
Look at that. Chad, what's Alexia
But
doing in your house?
doesn't matter to me.
Would you be upset if I gave it to Sage
Nah.
from Seth? Okay, so I'll leave these, and she said,
I was afraid.
Oh yeah.
she said, those were Jordan's, I think. And this guy, I think he records what you say.
Oh.
Dolman! God damn it, now Dolman's in here. Come here, Dolman! Come
No
on!
sneakies in here.
Oh, shit. Yeah, that's not good. Oh, I thought that was...
Oh.
Come on, Dolman. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on. You're okay. Come on.
Wait, Chad, why are you sleeping with Alexia? That's gross.
Come on, buddy. Are you ready to go outside for a little while tonight?
Chad, don't make me laugh about the cops. You almost killed
Come
me.
on, Dolman.
What the hell?
So Alexia.
It's gonna work now. Oops. So yeah, of course it didn't lurch before, it just slightly went and it wouldn't go, so. That's how I knew it was split, because it wasn't the belt either.
Why was that hilarious?
I like how Jordan's taking a video while I'm beating the crap out of Alexia.
I don't even know what's going on.
Wait, guys! I'm gonna fix a really big problem in this call, okay?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
I knew it too.
Problem solved.
Oh, whoops.
Who's doing it? Did the glitch just type?
Okay, you know, guys, eeny, miny, miny, moe, guys are tired by...
Oh, my camera just fell off the table and I caught it.
Oh, Joey, you're so cool.
Good job. That's a good thing.
Max,
That pinched my hand.
The way Alexia says it, it sort of sounds like derriere, which is French for blood.
That's how you say butt in French.
Yeah, derriere, which means fast.
I know that now if I tell people
Whoa.
I can smell Joey's from here.
Shane is a living, walking Skype response. Yeah. Ooh, we get to see the new chapter.
Okay.